Classify the following number as rational and irrational. So you can see this is 2 is rational and root 5 is irrational. So what it should be?
Irrational.
Irrational. Because addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of rational and irrational will give result as irrational. Okay, so let's move to the second one. What do you say for second?
Ma'am, irrational.
Who is saying this?
Ma'am, Leona.
Leona. Okay. Divyansh, what do you say?
Ma'am, I think it will be rational.
Irrational.
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you are saying irrational. That is wrong. See, plus root 23 and minus root 23. They will get cancelled. So what remains only?
3.
3.
Ma'am, I multiplied them.
Yeah, so please don't do the mistake. There is only 3 left. So it is a rational number. So try the third part.
Ma'am, third is rational.
Okay.
Yes,
Divya,
ma'am, it is rational.
how?
Ma'am, the 7 will be cut. Will be rational.
Not 7 7. This is root 7.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, root 7.
Root 7. So you are left with 2 upon 7. That is rational number. Correct. Okay. What about fourth?
Ma'am, irrational.
Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am, when a rational number get divided by a irrational number, it will always be irrational.
Irrational. Very good. Fifth part.
Ma'am, irrational because pi is there, so pi is a rational number.
Very good. So 2 is rational and pi is irrational. When we multiply this 2, we will be getting irrational. You are correct. So let's proceed to question number 2 that require identities. So do tell me like first part, how will you doing?
Ma'am, is it ma'am, is that a square plus root b?
No. See here, both in both the bracket there is plus sign. So we just multiply 3 by 2 and 3 by root 2. Similarly, we will be multiplying root 3 by 2 and root 3 by root 2. So we will be getting 4 terms in all. So if I multiply 3 by 2 and 3 by root 2 and root 3 by 2 and root 3 by root 2. So what we will be getting, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. So there is no like term. So this is our final answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Then proceed to the second part all by yourself. So can you tell
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
how you have done?
Ma'am, there was a sign problem.
I understand. So 3 square minus root 3 square. So 3 square is 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3
Ma'am, I
comes.
by mistake wrote +3.
Understood. Okay. So let's move to the third part.
Ma'am, here it will be root A plus root B square. Whole square.
You are correct. Very good. Correct. So third part will come out to be root 5 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. So you are correct. 5 plus 2 plus 2 root 10. So finally you should get 7 plus 2 root 10. So let's proceed quickly to the fourth part.
Ma'am, fourth part and the final answer is 9. No, ma'am, wait, ma'am, no. Ma'am, the final answer is, ma'am, 3.
Now it is correct. So see root 5 is square minus root 2 square. This is root A minus root B, root A plus root B. So you should be getting root A square minus root B square. So the
Yes, ma'am.
value of root 5 square is 5, root 2 square is 2. So final answer you should get is 3. Leon, are you getting 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Recall pi is defined as ratio of circumference to the diameter. This seems to be contradict that pi is irrational number. So once we find the value of pi by long division method, then we will say it is non-terminating and non-repeating. So it is a irrational number. ओके रूट 9.3 को नंबर लाइन पे बनाना आई डोंट थिंक कि वो आएगा और ये तो स्कूल में किया ही होगा हैव यू डन दिस बाय कंपास x+1 यूनिट
Yes,
बनाते हैं
we have done this one. Yes.
यस सो लेट्स रैशनलाइज इट 1/√7.
Ma'am, is the answer root 7?
No. See, if I want to rationalize 1 upon root 7, I have to multiply this by which number? Root 7 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 1 into any number is number itself, and root 7 into root 7 will become 7. So final answer is coming as root 7 upon 7.
Ma'am, I meant 7, but ma'am, I've written 7, but I told you root 7.
Okay, okay. So otherwise, then it is correct if you have forgotten to tell 7. Proceed to the second part.
Ma'am, is it root 7 plus root 6?
It is correct. So if I multiply by root 7 plus root 6, both numerator as well as denominator. So I should get root 7 plus root 6 in the numerator, and in the denominator I should get 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So the final answer which Leona told is correct. That is root 7 plus root 6. Try question number 3rd.
Ma'am, it is root 5 minus root 6 upon minus 1.
Speak again.
Ma'am, it is root 5 minus root 6 upon minus 1.
Where is root 6? Do you want to change your answer?
Ma'am, it is root 5 minus root 2 upon
Root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. Proceed for the fourth part.
Ma'am, is the fourth one root 7 plus 2 upon 45?
No.
Ma'am, is it root 7 minus 2 upon 3?
A silly mistake, I should say, Divyansh. Check it fast and come back with the correct answer.
Ma'am, is it root 7 plus 2 upon 3?
Now it is correct. So the final answer is root 7
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
2 upon 3. Now it is correct. So let's proceed quickly to the laws of exponent. So you can see there are 4 laws of exponent. It's like just ordinary which we have done in class 8. If the base is A and the operation is multiplication, then power will get added. A raised to the power m into A raised to the power n. So it is A raised to the power m plus n. This is the first law of exponent. And if I talk about second law of exponent, and if there are two powers over one base, then this power will get multiplied, m into n. And the third law says if the base is A and the operation is division, then powers will get subtracted. And like fourth one says if the powers are same but bases are different and the operation is multiplication, then bases will get multiplied and same power will be placed above them. So these are 4 laws, and apart from that, you also know that A raised to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So these are the 5 laws of exponent which you have done in class 8 in the chapter exponent and power.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's proceed. And sixth one, you also know what do we understand by negative exponent. So if the exponent is negative, then I have to reciprocate the number to make the exponent positive. So if it is a raised to the power minus n, so how I can make minus n to plus n? I have to reciprocate the number. So it becomes 1 upon a raised to the power n. So these are some laws which we already know. Okay. So let's say if this 4 problems are in front of you, so how to proceed? So let me tell you one by one. So you can see base here is 2 and operation is multiplication. So what I need to do, I have to add the power. So this is fractional power. You can see 2 by 3 plus
So
1
ma'am,
by.
it will be 1.
You are correct. So I can take LCM as 3. Then this will become 2 plus 1, that is 3. This will get cancelled. So 1. So that is 2 raised to the
Yes,
power
ma'am.
1, or you can say it is 2. So the final answer is 2. If you look at the second problem where there are two powers, then I told you when there are two powers, then power will get multiplied. So what we will be getting, 3 raised to the power 1 into 4 is 4, 4 upon 5. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So try the third part. See, the base is 7, operation is division, then powers should be
Minus.
subtracted, minus. but you can see denominators are different. So you have to take the LCM and then
Ma'am, it is 15.
it is 15. LCM is 15. So in this numerator, there should be multiplication of 3 and here it should be 5. So the final answer is 7 raised to the power minus 2 upon 15.
Yes, ma'am, same.
Correct. So let's try the fourth part. So you can see powers are same, but bases are different. So here we need to multiply the different bases and above them we need to put the same power. So that same power we will be putting, that is 1 upon 5. So 13 into 17 to the power 1 upon 5.
So, ma'am, it is 221 upon.
1 upon 5. You are correct. So in this way we need to do this. I just want to tell you one more thing, like you can see, okay, चलो अब ये फिर अभी our time get over 2 p.m. और हमने पूरी exercise we have completed. Okay, so tomorrow we will be continuing with the new exercise. Have a nice time, both of you.
Okay.